Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a domain in your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, you will find yourself at the Shopify homepage. What you want to do is you want to navigate to the bottom left corner of the page and click on settings. Once you clicked on settings, you're going to see this page, and all you need to do now is just click on the domains tab right over here. Now, you will have two options. You can either buy a new domain right here, or you can connect an existing domain. What I recommend you do if this is your first time starting out, you can click buy new domain, and right here you can type in your domain. So for example, let's say YouTube domain tutorial. And if this domain is available, you can simply click buy. Here you will see all of your information, and all that is left for you to do is click this button buy domain, and this is how you add a domain in your Shopify store. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching this video.